Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you, does YouTube TV have Univision? Let's begin. So if you go to tv.youtube.com, you'll be greeted by this page, and it's going to say the best live TV streaming service overall, and you can try it for free or you can sign into your account. Now, if you scroll down, you're going to see a list of channels available here. So if you look carefully, you're going to see the Univision channel. So yes, it is included. So basically, YouTube TV does include Univision in its standard channel lineup, along with additional Spanish language channels like Unimas and Univision. This addition was made to broaden the service's appeal for Spanish-speaking audiences, providing access to Univision's news, entertainment, and sports programming. YouTube TV subscribers also have an on-demand access to Univision content and can authenticate their subscription in the Univision app to access even more shows and live programming. So basically, yes, there is Univision in YouTube TV, and there you go. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.